Hi, if the power button on your Honor X6E isn't working, or you simply want to learn a more convenient way to restart your phone, this video is for you. I'll show you how to restart your Honor X6E even without using the power button. The method is simple, takes less than a minute, and works for almost everyone.